Factors Affecting Biodiversity, Year 1 of A-Level Biology. Three major influences on biodiversity are human population growth, agriculture, and the climate change, and we shall be discussing these in more detail. An ever-increasing human population inevitably results in deforestation for the building of houses and farms, which of course destructively reduces biodiversity. And then there is urbanization, which for example results in road developments, which means species cannot interbreed, thus reducing genetic diversity. An exponentially increasing human population results in more waste product and toxic gases being released into the atmosphere, decreasing biodiversity in certain areas. In order to feed an ever-growing number of people, large areas of land are devoted to monoculture, which is the mass growing of a single variety of a crop. This leads to a reduction in biodiversity for the following reasons. Because of habitat loss, large areas of land are cleared to make way for monoculture, reducing habitat biodiversity. Also, herbicides and pesticides are heavily used in areas of agriculture and monoculture, killing off many species of animals and plants, thus reducing biodiversity. And again, deforestation. Trees are homes for many organisms, and they are chopped down to make area for monoculture, reducing species biodiversity. And lastly, depletion of local plants and animals. Local plants and animals are seen as weeds and competitors, so are often exterminated, and again reducing biodiversity. Climate change can affect biodiversity in these various ways. Rising temperatures can cause certain species to become extinct or migrate because they are physiologically unable to handle the temperature. Rising temperatures can also cause polar ice caps to melt, which causes flooding by rising sea levels, which reduces biodiversity in certain areas and increases it in other areas. Changing rainfall patterns can also cause migrations of species, increasing biodiversity in certain areas and decreasing it in certain other areas. So hopefully you can now understand how biodiversity is affected by these three main factors, and we hope you benefited tremendously.